face can't hear so good anymore.
That's right.
Can't hear so good. Can't see as good as I used to, and my body aches. I was thinking, we have 6 senses.
Yes.
This should be our number one sense.
Come on, it is.
Come on.
Come on.
That 6 sense of Jesus.
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
Jesus.
Come
But
on.
if we use that 6 sense, if we keep that 6 sense in our minds all the time,
Yes.
which I confess I don't as much as I should, because I'm away from the church so much and I don't want to be, but I am.
Come on.
I love you guys. But if we use that 6 sense, make that a number one sense, Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on, it is.
Yeah.
That's what we need. Even when I'm not here, I need to use that number one sense
Come on.
every day and every night.
Yeah.
Amen.
Sister Tammy, you said about wearing a soft hat. I'm going to wear that this morning.
Oh, that's all right.
I'd rather drink muddy water than sleep in a hollow log. I'd rather drink muddy water and sleep in a hollow log than to give in to the devil. He ain't nothing but a dirty dog. Well, I gave my life to Jesus. He's all I'll ever need. Oh, I gave my life to Jesus. He's all I'll ever need. And as long as I stick with Him, I'll surely be redeemed. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah.